Hello everyone. Today let's talk about one assembly method for this float box. First, we take out the components. Separate them like this. These are easy to distinguish. Mainly, this one has two different sizes. If you make a mistake, it's okay. Two different sizes. Two of these are the same. Put these four identical ones together. Then we'll start assembling. Assembling is very simple. First, we use these two flat pieces. First, align this slanted position. Align with the connection point. Then gently snap it in. Snap it in by aligning a bit before pushing it in. Then hold this position. You must hold these positions here with one hand. Then this side aligns with those lines. Do not press the areas on both sides. If you press this position, it's easy to break it here. So absolutely do not press this position. Make sure to push it down on both sides. I've already pushed it into place. When it's in place, it should be flat. It can go down a bit. That's fine. Because to avoid protrusions, we designed it to sink a little bit. Then this side is the same. Also align it with this position. Then use force to snap it in. There are four positions. This panel. Align first, then snap it in. Be careful not to press this position when pressing. Never press this location. This one is to be pressed from above. During the assembly process, these positions are relatively weak, but once assembled correctly, it will be more solid. So be careful while assembling. Don't use brute force. Align it first, then press. It will be easier to push down. If not aligned, no matter how hard you push, it won't go down, and it may break. The last one is the same. Align. Then push it down. Do not press this position. Let me remind you again. Do not press this position. After pressing well like this, these panels will be a bit lower than this surface. Or flat, not protruding. It's not protruding. It needs to be pressed in properly. It's protruding. It needs to be pressed in properly. Make sure to press it in properly. Then these two are done. Next is this panel on top. This panel is very simple. It's the same. Align the 6 positions above with the 6 holes above. Align and lower it down. Because when we made it, we had some allowance on top. So it should fit in easily. Don't use brute force to press it down. If it's misaligned here, and you press down force, it may break the piece. So make sure to align it first, then after aligning it, then we can push it in a little bit. Push it in a bit here too. Then align it before pushing it in a little bit. The pushing part is not done. When it's in place, we need to stop. Then at this point, we hold this board. Do not bend these positions. If you bend these positions like this, it will break. You must align this board and push this way. Push the board down this way. And it's the same on this side. Also hold this board and push it like that. You can also bend these positions. Because this side is shorter. You can bend it, but this one is longer. Bending it will break the board. So it's better to hold this edge and push it down from this edge. When it's pushed into place, this part here, this edge will meet with the hole inside. This way it will be more accurate. And you can see it here too. From this position, it looks flat. If it sticks out a bit, there's a bump here. Then it's not in place. It is flattened. That is in place. And it's the same when you turn this side. Put this board on top. When placing it, be careful of the curved position here. There's a curved part here. This is flat and sharp. Flat is below. Curved is above. Once the direction is set properly. If you just place it like this, you won't be able to fit it in, because here, only this board matches with this board, right? We must understand the direction clearly. Once the direction is correct, we must ensure the direction is right before placing it. Then place it. Be careful. You see, all these are sharp angles. Here there are rounded corners. This piece is the same. Sharp angles have rounded corners. The rounded corners facing outward, while right angles face inward. This way, when they connect, there won't be a gap here, and it will be easier to distinguish. The direction will be easier to identify. Then after we place it, it's the same process. First, go in a little bit. It doesn't have to be immediately in place. Just go in a little bit, right? Because I've installed this before. So it's a bit loose now. But at first it will be tighter. With a new one, it will be a bit tight. There's a bump here. It will fit in a bit. On this side, just fit it in a little bit first. And here it needs to protrude a bit, right? It's not pressed in place. Here isn't connected either. So we need to push down with more force. Or it can be done this way too. First hold this board. The challenge here is this board. Then push this edge down. Turn this side to press down. Hold this edge and push down, right? This way pushing down. Here the seam is very small, right? And here it's flat. That means it is installed properly. It's actually very simple. I'm just explaining it in detail. When assembling, be sure to pay attention. Do not break it. After it's assembled, these positions are not easy to break. The breaks are quite sturdy. Moreover, there were many strips of support in the middle of the board before. The ones below will also be quite sturdy. Just be careful during assembly. Thank you, everyone.